Hey friends, I'm Lily, and welcome back to my channel. If you've ever felt too shy, too nervous, or just stuck when speaking English, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 7 foolproof tips to help you speak English every single day with more confidence, more ease, and more joy. In the end, I will share my favorite one. Tip number 1. Start your day with English thoughts. When you wake up, try thinking in English, just simple sentences like, I'm getting out of bed. It's a sunny day. I need coffee. Teacup with handle. No one hears your thoughts, so don't worry about being perfect. This is how you train your brain to speak faster and more naturally. Tip 2. Yes, really, talk to yourself. Look in the mirror and say, Hi, how are you today? What are your plans? You can also read a short story out loud. Use your voice. It may feel silly at first, but it works. You'll hear your rhythm and grow more confident every time you speak. Tip 3 is my favorite routine, the 3-3-3 rule. 3 o'clock 3 minutes listening. Speaking head in silhouette #3 minutes speaking. Writing hand #3 minutes writing. For example, listen to a short podcast, speak about your day, then write 3 sentences. It's short, simple, and powerful, just 9 minutes a day. Tip 4 is don't study 100 words. Learn 1 or 2 real phrases and use them. Like, no worries, I'm just chilling. To be honest. Say them to yourself. Use them in messages. Fluency grows 1 small phrase at a time. Tips 5 is my fave one. Speaking is the secret ingredient. If you have no one to talk to, don't worry, record yourself, or use an AI speaking app like Recording or Elsa Ari. I love Elsa because you can practice real conversations even when you're alone. It feels like a tutor in your pocket. Remember, this is not sponsored. Fluency isn't about speaking perfectly, it's about showing up. You will make mistakes. So what? That means you're learning. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate every time you try. Remember, confidence doesn't come first. It comes from practice. Here's a little English mantra I want you to say every day. I am learning. I am improving. I am brave enough to speak. Say it with me again. I am learning. I am improving. I am brave enough to speak. Yes, you are. Now, which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more confidence-boosting English lessons. And don't forget, your voice matters. Keep speaking. Keep shining. I'm Lily, and I'll see you in the next one.